What we have here is a piece called Bringing Health Home. So it's a collection of items. We've tried to display it somewhat subtly, but it's the way the Internet of Things and connected devices will fit onto your bedside locker, but actually change the way we live hugely. So what we have here is a collection. This is a sleep monitor, a contactless sleep monitor, which monitors you as you are on the bed sleeping and tells you how your sleep is, how restful you are, and to an almost clinical level. So this, you could use a Fitbit that would tell when you roll over. That's great, but this would do a much more in-depth version of that. We have here, this is a, looks like a mouth guard, but it's kind of like a bite guard, but it's been developed at DCU. And what this does is you wear this overnight, and with a small sensor, it senses things that previously you'd have to go inpatient to get diagnosed. So acid reflux or some other problems in your gut, you'd have to go in, get an endoscopy, and they'd have to sample your stomach. It's quite an invasive procedure.
Yeah.
Instead, you wear this overnight. So this is making an invasive procedure something so simple you could leave it on your bedside locker and get a treatment for it. Mm-hmm. On the other end of the scale this is Mother. It's actually a commercial product you can buy, and it has these little attachments that you can attach to pretty much anything in program. So you could attach it to your pill case here, like that, and it'll log every time you pick this up and open one of your containers and take your pills. And just remember it, because you might not remember,
Yeah.
but it gives you a little external memory. You could attach this to your toothbrush to log how many times you brush your teeth. You could attach it to your shoes to measure how many steps you take. So does it help you live a better life, or does it kind of monitor you in a big brother way? I'm not entirely sure. And these slippers are ideally for elderly people, because the two sensors here measure if there's a bit of wobble in your step, or if you're a little unsteady on your feet, which is excellent at predicting whether people's health has changed or whether they're likely to have a fall, which can be hugely injurious and impact quality of life.